Hey, upper cervical crew, it's Dr. Cave. I was sitting here at home and I had a couple of thoughts roll into my mind from some things I heard today and some of the myths that are surrounding chiropractic. So I just wanted to dispel one of those myths, and hopefully you all already know this information, but if you don't, it's good to refresh yourself on as well. And the myth goes something like this. Some of you have probably heard of it. Some of you have probably even said it maybe. But it goes something like this. Once you go to a chiropractor, you've got to go for the rest of your life, right? And the reason that I find that kind of funny is because most people that I've talked to that have said that or have thought that, you ask them the same type of question about, say, brushing their teeth. You know, you ask them, hey, well, once you brush your teeth, do you have to continue to brush them? And they say, well, yeah, of course you do if you don't want any cavities. And I say, have you ever had braces? And they say, some of them say, yeah. And if they say no, then I say, do you know somebody that's had braces? They say, yeah. I say, well, what do they do after you take the braces off, after your teeth are straight? Do they just let you go? And they say, well, no, you got to wear a retainer. And I say, okay. Then I say, what about if I go to the gym and I work out for 6 months and I get a six-pack abs and I'm in the best shape of my life? In order to maintain that best shape of my life, do I have to continue to go to the gym or can I cancel my membership? And they're like, well, of course you got to continue to go. And by then they're starting to catch on. And they say, well, okay, what are you trying to say here? And I say, well, you only have to continue to go to the chiropractor for as long as you want to maintain your health. And that's why we call it maintenance care. Once you get through that initial phase of care and get some stability, especially in that upper spine, we want to maintain what we've corrected and continue to ensure that you are in good spinal health and make sure that your brainstem is as clear as it can be and is functioning as best as it can be. I hope that helps some of y'all. If you've ever heard that, maybe it'll help you explain to some of your friends why you continue to go. Because in our practice, it's kind of like Hotel California. You can come, but you can't leave. And it's not so much that you can't leave, but so many people come and they find that they just feel better is one of the most common answers I get. And so I hope that helps some of y'all. And have a good night.